Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 everyday hacks for oily skin. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join our family. Oily skin is the result of the overproduction of sebum from sebaceous glands. These glands are located under the skin surface. Sebum is an oily substance made of fats. Sebum isn't all bad since it helps protect and moisturize your skin and keep your hair shiny and healthy. Too much sebum, however, may lead to oily skin, which can lead to clogged pores and acne. Genetics, hormone changes, or even stress may increase sebum production. Oily skin and acne are challenging to manage. Still, home remedies often reduce symptoms without the use of prescription drugs or expensive skincare regimens. Here are 10 remedies for oily skin you can try at home. Number 10. Jojoba Oil. Although the idea of applying oil to oily skin seems counterproductive, jojoba oil is a folk remedy to treat oily skin, acne, and other skin problems. It's thought that jojoba mimics sebum on the skin to trick sebaceous glands into producing less sebum and help keep oil levels balanced. There's no scientific research to support this theory, though. Still, a 2012 study found that applying a mask made of healing clay and jojoba oil 2 to 3 times weekly helped heal skin lesions and mild acne. A little jojoba oil goes a long way. Using too much may worsen oily skin. Try massaging a few drops into clean skin a few days a week to see how you react. If you like the results, apply daily. Number 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain salicylic acid, a common acne home remedy. The acids in tomatoes may help absorb excess skin oils and unclog pores. To make an exfoliating tomato mask, combine 1 teaspoon sugar with the pulp of 1 tomato. Apply to the skin in a circular motion. Leave the mask on for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. You can also apply just tomato pulp or tomato slices to your skin. Number 8. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is known for soothing burns and other skin conditions. According to the Mayo Clinic, there's good scientific evidence that it helps treat flaky skin caused by oily patches. Many people use aloe vera to treat oily skin. You can apply a thin layer to your face before bedtime and leave it on until morning. Aloe vera is known to cause allergic reaction on sensitive skin. If you have not used aloe vera before, test a small amount on your forearm. If no reaction appears within 24 to 48 hours, it should be safe to use. Number 7. Almonds. Ground almonds not only work to exfoliate your skin, but they also help sop up excess oils and impurities. To use an almond face scrub, finely grind raw almonds to make 3 teaspoons. Add 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Apply to your face gently, in circular motions. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. You can also make an almond face mask by grinding the almonds into a paste before adding the honey. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Do not use if you have a nut allergy. Number 6. Egg whites and lemons. Egg whites and lemons are a folk remedy for oily skin. Both ingredients are thought to tighten pores. The acid in lemons and other citrus fruits may help absorb oil. According to a 2008 study trusted source, lemons also have antibacterial abilities. However, this remedy is not a good choice for people with egg allergies. To make an egg white and lemon face mask, combine 1 egg white with 1 teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply it to your face, and leave it on until the mask dries. Remove with warm water and pat dry. Number 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal helps calm inflamed skin and absorb excess oil. It also helps exfoliate dead skin. When used in facial masks, oatmeal is usually ground. It can be combined with yogurt, honey, or mashed fruit such as bananas, apples, or papaya. To use oatmeal on your face, Combine 1/2 cup ground oats with hot water to form a paste. Stir in 1 tablespoon honey. Massage the oatmeal mixture into your face for about 3 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Alternatively, apply the oatmeal mixture to your face, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Number 4. Cosmetic Clay. Cosmetic clays, also called healing clays, are used to help absorb skin oil and treat many skin conditions. French green clay is a popular treatment for oily skin and acne since it's highly absorbent. French green clay comes in powder form. To make a spa-worthy French green clay mask, add filtered water or rose water to about a teaspoon of clay, until it forms a pudding-like consistency. Apply the clay mixture to your face and leave it on until it dries. Remove the clay with warm water and pat dry. Clay masks removed with water are much gentler on your skin than peel-off masks. Number 3. Honey. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedies. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, it may benefit oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist but not oily. This is because humectants draw moisture from the skin without replacing it. To use honey to treat acne and oily skin, spread a thin layer, preferably raw, onto your face. Let it dry for about 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Number 2. Blotting Papers. These thin small papers won't prevent your sebaceous glands from going into overdrive, but they'll allow you to blot excess oil from your face to help minimize shiny, greasy skin. Blotting papers are inexpensive and available over the counter. Use as needed throughout the day. Number 1. Wash your face. It seems obvious, but many people with oily skin don't wash their face daily. If your skin's oily, you should wash your face twice a day, but don't overdo it. Avoid harsh soaps or detergents. Use a gentle soap such as glycerin soap instead. Comment below and let us know, what do you think about our list? If this video was helpful, please like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.